Hello and welcome you all to my YouTube channel English Lovers. And in this lesson, I am going to teach you the use of capital letters or capitalization in English language. Friends, the use of capital letters and small letters is an important aspect in English writing. So in this lesson, we are going to study some rules that govern the use of capital letters in English language. So friends, let us start. The first rule is, as we all of us know, that every sentence in English language begins with a capital letter. As we know that there are four types of sentences in English language. They are assertive sentence or declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. So when we write these sentences, we always write first letter in capital. So this is the most common rule that many of us know. But besides this rule, there are some other rules also that govern the use of capital letters in English language. So we should know them in order to write better English. So the next rule is the first person singular pronoun I is always written in capital wherever it comes in the sentence. Whether it may come at the beginning or it may come in the middle of the sentence, it is always written in capital. For example, the sentence like, I thought that I lost my book, but I found it. Now, in this sentence, I has been written for the three times. At the beginning once and twice in the middle. But three times or all the times in the sentence, I is written in capital. The next is important words in the titles are always written in capitals. The first letters are always written in capitals. Okay. So the title of a book, of a poem, of an essay, or of a newspaper, or of a movie. So these titles and important words in the titles, the first letters are always written in capital. For example, the title like Pride and Prejudice, which is a novel by Jane Austen. So P in Pride and P in Prejudice is written in capital. Or a play Antony and Cleopatra. So A in Antony and C in Cleopatra is written in capital. Then a famous poem Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. So here S in stopping, W in woods, S in snowy, and E in evening. So these letters are written in capital. Or a name of a newspaper like The Times of India. So here T in the and T in Times and I in India, they are written in capital. So there is one rule how you are going to find out the important words in the title. Because there is long title like Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. So how you are going to find out important words? So there is one rule, that content words are always important words. Content words, what are the content words? So nouns, adjectives, verbs and adverbs are the content words, whereas there is another category that is function words, and these function words are like preposition, conjunction, pronoun, interjection or articles. They are written in small letters in titles. Okay, so this is the rule. Next is proper nouns. Okay, so the first letters of all proper nouns are written in capital letters. The first letter of a proper noun. So what are proper nouns? Proper nouns are the particular names given to the particular thing or in order to specify something. Okay, so for example, particular names of places or people. Places like Mumbai, London, so the first letters are written in capital, or Taj Mahal, or names of people like Amit, Tom, Jenny. So the first letters, they are always written in capital. Okay. The next rule is the titles which are assigned to people due to their achievements. So these titles are always written, the first letters are always written in capital. For example, we say Professor Amartya Sen or Dr. Reddy. So here Professor and Doctor are the titles which are assigned to the people for their achievements, because here Professor and doctor, they have earned these achievements with hard work and efforts. So the first letters, that is P in the professor and D in the doctor, they are written in capital letters. The next is we use capital letters to write the names of historical events and organizations. So historical events like the first war of Indian independence, which was fought in 1857. So T in the, F in first, W in war, I in Indian and I in independence, they are written in capital letters. Or a famous historical event like French Revolution. So F in French and R in Revolution is written in capital. Or the First World War. So T in the, F in first, W in world and W in war, they are written in capital letters. In the same way, the other historical events also, when we write the first name in capital letters, the first letter. Or there are some organizations. So when we write their names, we use first letter in capital, like the United Nations. So T in the, U in United and N in Nations. Okay. So we write in capital. Or World Health Organization. In short, we call it WHO, WHO. So W in world, H in health and O in organization is written in capital. Or another organization is International Monetary Fund. So I in international, M in monetary and F in fund is written in capital. Okay, so the next rule is we use capital letter when we write reported speech in direct speech. So when we talk of reported speech in direct speech, which is written in double inverted or single inverted commas, so that is the first letter is written in capital. For example, she said, comma, into inverted commas, he is a great orator. Okay, orator is a person who is very good at speaking, public speaking. Okay, so here she said he is a great orator. So H, that is a reported speech. It is written in capital H of he. Or the teacher told, comma, into double inverted commas, get those books from the library. So here G in get, which is in a reported speech in inverted commas. So G is written in capital. So this is one rule. The next is when we refer to God or gods or goddesses, or when we speak of religions, we write the first letter in capital. Okay, for example, G in God or M in Moses or H in Hinduism or C in Christianity or B in Buddhism or I in Islam. So we write first letters capital. Okay. Next is we use capital letters when we write names of days, names of months or names of festivals. For example, when we write Sunday, Monday in the same way, all the names of the days in a week. So the first letters are always written in capital. Or when we speak of or write of months like January, February, March, April, May, in the same way till December. So the first letters are always written in capital. Or when we speak of festivals like Diwali, so D in Diwali, Bakri Eid, so B and E in Bakri Eid, we write in capital, or C in Christmas, or G and F in Good Friday, we always write in capital letters. So friends, these are all the rules which govern the use of capital letters in English language. Friends, I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button. And if you are new to my channel, remember to subscribe it to get the notifications of my latest videos right here on YouTube. Enjoy learning and I'll see you soon in another lesson. Thank you.